Good morning. It is day 3 and we are feeling freshly revived. Last night was a calm night. After the ATV riding, we were just too tired, so we just chilled by the pool, had some champagne, and yeah, that was that.
Chilling. Yeah,
Chilling.
it was a vibe.
It was a vibe though. So, but then after that, we just went to sleep.
Bro, tired.
Yo, I don't know what it is. We just been so tired.
With no clothes on.
Yo, Ruby went in the shower. I took a shower first, then Ruby took a shower. When Ruby was in the shower, I said, "Don't be surprised if I'm sleeping." I was not. We're about to go eat breakfast. Taking pictures this whole time, and then we're now getting lunch because we didn't really eat breakfast. What is ceviche?
Ceviche is basically
So this is ceviche.
fish with cilantro. It's like a pico de gallo with fish. That's what I kind of think of it like.
Hey guys, so we
You can wait for the finish first.
come on, you can do this together.
Oh my god.
You can't even really.
Continue. Go ahead.
We had
And
a
today we are going to.
you know what? We had a very chill day today, and we were sleeping on the beach all day basically. We came in, took a shower, and now we're about to just go to dinner. Did I interrupt you?
No, you didn't. Okay.
Sarcastic ass. We're about to go to dinner.
So
We're going to the Italian restaurant and not the restaurant we went to yesterday because we keep going to that restaurant. Like,
And it was not as good as it was.
That good yesterday. Yeah. So I hope this Italian restaurant is good. Carla just came and we're finally going to our event that we wanted to go to.
Yes, this is what we came here for.
We were too late to book it, but he came and found us.
He saved the day.
We are going! Yay! Shout out to Carlo. We're gonna be doing Costa Rican Jungle Adrenaline Day Pass, and it comes with exotic river tubing, ziplining, horseback riding to waterfalls, and a mud bath and hot springs. It's gonna be lit, sis.
I'm excited.
Yo,
I'm so happy.
Yo, we were really so
We
sad.
were sitting here on our beds looking through everything.
So this is the outfit of the night. I'm just wearing a bathing suit top actually from Fashion Nova, and these cover-up pants from Fashion Nova, and this bag is from Fashion Nova. Call me a Nova babe, period. Ruby has on this cute 2-piece floral set. It's so cute.
Now they'll be on their Instagram tomorrow. Be 3 white guys.
Oh my gosh, no!
And everyone will be like, who the fuck are those guys? They're like, oh, those are our Costa Rican tour guides. Those 3 fucking white guys.
I couldn't even start the vlog.
One's fucking started. I told you.
No, it's just
That's how
funny.
the vlog's gonna start.
Okay, guys.
3 white guys. One's a fucking leprechaun. Yeah, one's a fucking leprechaun.
Oh my gosh, no. Why would y'all say that? You guys are so funny.
Yeah.
Please,
You guys want to introduce yourselves?
yeah, please introduce you guys.
Baby.
This is Baby, Kevin, and Matt. Okay, so we met these guys at our resort, and we wanted to go out and see the nightlife for Costa Rica. And they're bringing us to it. It's supposed to be a lit time. This is like this is the strip of Costa Rica, basically. We're in Samara, and this is their nightlife. And we're about to go to a bar. This is the New York City of Costa. Look at us, like we're Costa Ricans. Great memories, and your birthday and my birthday
And our birthdays.
Yeah, more life, more blessed years to come. And yeah, cheers! Clink clink. Okay, good morning, guys. So unfortunately, it is our last day in Costa Rica. If you can visit Costa Rica, please do. It's so beautiful out here. The people are so nice at this resort. We're about to go downstairs because we just packed up all of our stuff. Our taxi is picking us up at 8 o'clock. Thank you. Yes, yes.
This is in front?
See, you can in the middle. We're leaving this beautiful island. Bye.
crying. I'm so emotional.
Okay guys, I'm finally dressed and ready to go. We're about to go to the Versace mansion. It's lighting in here. It's only my first time going to Versace mansion, so I'm hyped about that. Cheers to my good sis Jasmine on her 21st birthday.
21.
More life, prosperity, good
Thank
wealth.
you. Period. Thank you.